So, you're from London. Trying to sell Eel Marsh House.
Yes.
You won't find a local buyer. The sooner the house is sold, the sooner people can move on.
Please, don't go back to the house. She's there.
I can't leave yet.
You should have left. You should have gone when we told you to.
You said you have a son. Go home to him.
Don't go chasing shadows, Arthur.